Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Miss Carol and this is algebra class, and I'm your algebra teacher for this year. Our agenda or our plan for this meeting or video is to say welcome. I'll tell you about me. I want to learn a little bit about you. Today we'll talk about Schoology.com, about this course, the schedule for this year, my expectations, grading, so how you will earn your grade, your first assignment in Schoology, and then what's next. So welcome, whether you are new to this country or you've been here a while, welcome. I'm excited that I get to be your teacher and help you learn about life and mathematics. A little bit about me. My name is Miss Carol. This is my dog Chase. I'm from Lynn and I live here currently. I graduated from Lynn Classical High School, like you will, in a few years, the University of New Hampshire, and American International College. I love mathematics, and I hope to make you love math too. I know not many students your age love math, but I hope I can change that. I enjoy spending time with my family, my dog, in nature, cooking, reading, and being creative. I'm excited to get to know you. About you. So I'm going to pause the video. Please share one fun thing you did this summer. You can type it in the chat or you can raise your hand and tell us. Thank you for sharing. Now let's talk just a little bit about Schoology. We're going to continue to learn about Schoology, but I just want to talk about it right now. It's an online learning management system where you will find assignments, Zoom links, and very important information for every class. So you log in every day. I'll briefly give you a tour of these classes, but I'll post all these videos online for you to look at as well. So this is your algebra class. About this course, you're in my A or B period. This is the study of mathematical symbols and rules. Think variables, numbers, math operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. To start this year, we will study in the first quarter expressions, equations, and inequalities. Just another look at the schedule. I hope that you saw this at your orientation or with your mentoring room teacher, but this is what the schedule looks like. So A and B periods, we meet on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. A period, we meet from 8 in the morning until 8:55 in the morning, these 3 days. B period is right after A. We meet at 9 in the morning till 9:55 in the morning on Mondays, Wednesdays, and my attendance expectations are that you attend all Zoom classes, either Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, if you're A, B, or D, and if you're E and F, you attend Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you cannot attend due to work, babysitting, or no internet, or you're sick, please message me and let me know. I would like to talk briefly about my Zoom expectations for both my algebra and my geometry classes. First, log in using your name. Don't use a nickname or emojis. Please use your name. Second is be on time. For A, B, and D period classes on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, these are the times you need to be logged in by. Tuesdays and Thursdays, these are your times for E and F. Try to find a quiet place where you will not get distracted. I know this might be difficult if you have other people in your home, but if you have a space available, please go there. Make sure your computer is charged and you are ready for your classes. You want to be prepared. Please show respect. This one is important. Please be kind. I will be kind to you and I will be considerate. Please be considerate and be respectful. For now, you must have your camera on, but you can turn it off briefly if you need to use the bathroom, get a drink, make a quick phone call, something that's only going to take a minute or two. I'm here to help you. Ask me questions. If you don't want to ask on Zoom, you can message me on Schoology, or you can email me, or you can text me at this number. Please mute your mic. It will be crazy if we're all talking at the same time. You can unmute to speak. And lastly, please do your best, and I will do my best. We're all in this together. When you're not on Zoom, you may rewatch the lesson or a YouTube video for help. I'll post extra videos. You may turn on closed captions to your first language, and there's a video that shows you how to do that. I'll show you that. You may pause, rewind, or rewatch as you need to, especially when you're learning something new. I like to pause the video and think about what I just learned and try to make sense of it. You will then usually have an assignment to complete, and each week may be different. So during the student schedule, you have time where you're working independently and you're not in classes. That's when you might complete assignments from any of these websites. So let's talk about grades. This is how your grade will be calculated. Your classwork and homework, which is kind of the same thing because you're doing all of your work at home, but classwork and homework will make up 40% of your grade. Assessments like quizzes and tests may be a project. This is 50% of your grade, so half of your grade. And lastly is participation. So attendance on Zoom may be a response to a discussion board on Schoology. This is 10% of your grade. Your first assignment is the survey on Schoology to get to know you. I showed you where that video was. I can help you if you still have questions. What's next? When we have our first class, Wednesday, September 23rd, log into Schoology, click on your course. At the top, look for an announcement or a link for a Zoom meeting. Attend the Zoom meeting during your class time and make sure you're on time. All right, that's it. I look forward to seeing you all in class.